Okay, down and dirty quick toot on doing the offsetting for engraving. You have your lettering here, and one of the first things you see is that they're overlapping. You don't want that cutting several times, so you need to get rid of that. To do that, you're going to highlight the word. There's no overlapping here, so you don't have to worry. You're going to highlight the word. You're going to go up to you can right click on the word and go down to weld. Now everything is clear, nothing is overlapping, they're all one where we're connecting. Okay, so now that that's set, now what you need to do is you want to make this line darker when it engraves, and going over the line and over the line in the same spot does not make it a little bit darker. What you need to do is make it a little bit wider. You can't use make the line wider, because then it actually makes a cut on each side of this line, and that takes up space and you're going to lose area. It's an okay thing to do if that's what you want. I'm going to show you how to do it so that it makes it a little wider and more definition when you see it. So you're going to go ahead and grab everything and highlight it, connect it. So I highlighted everything, and I'm going to, oh crap, alright, so I'm not restarting. Okay, so now everything is highlighted and I'm in offset. Offset is located next to the tracer, this window right here. So I'm going to do an internal offset. You don't want to take up room on the outside. You can do both at the same time, but I'm just doing the internal, so do the internal. Now it automatically defaults to 0.040, and what you see are lines being placed where there's enough space for that to work, but not filling in these other areas. So the first thing you need to do is change this to 0.005. That puts the next line cut extremely close. Now watch what happens when I hit the apply button. Those lines now are much closer to the original line. Now this is probably enough for this one, but I'm going to show you what happens when you hit the offset again. Hit the internal offset. Now, well, it's still taking everything, but a lot of times what you see is only some of the letters will be highlighted because there's just no place to put it. But soon as you go and change this, don't touch anything on the screen. Soon as you change this and put it at 0.005 and click off to the side, the lines will move there, and then hit apply. Okay, now everything's going to be highlighted. Now the only thing I see is this one is not getting hit. So I would, if I wanted that line to be darker, I would go ahead and ungroup this and then hit this inner one and go to inner offset again, 0.005. So whoops, 0.005, and hit apply. It then highlighted the inner heart and darkened it. Okay, let's hope this helps you.